to change language in Microsoft Word. Changing language on Microsoft Word is quite easy and simple. You need to follow all the steps one by one till the end. Without much ado, let's get started. Open Microsoft Word on PC or laptop. Click File tab at top left corner of the screen. On the side panel, select Options and a new menu box appears. Again, on the side panel, locate Language and click on it. You can see the current language here. If you don't find any language that you want to change here in Microsoft Word, you can easily install the language. And then after that, you can easily select the language and you can click on State as Default. After that, click on Yes button and then select OK. You need to restart Office so that your language changes can take effect. You can easily click on the cross button at top right corner of the screen and reopen Microsoft Word. After that, you will successfully see that your language on Microsoft Word will be changed. That's it. I hope this video worked. If this video worked, then hit the like button, share, comment, subscribe our channel for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching.